the new week.
That's right. This is forewarning now. You've got several days. If you have not found the really cold weather clothes just yet, don't have the winter coat out of the closet, make sure you get it out because you're going to want it before the weekend or next weekend is here. I teased that to you because off to our north and west, off the northwest coast of Alaska, there's some upper level energy that's just beginning to come on shore. That's what's going to unleash the season's coldest air coming down into central Indiana for the beginning of next week. We'll talk about how cold that is in just a moment. Tonight we've got a few showers around central Indiana. The cold front is just on the western edge of central Indiana, right on the Illinois-Indiana state line. That's going to bring some showers through the area through the overnight hours. Not a lot of rain, just enough to have to turn the windshield wipers on a few times if you're traveling the next couple of hours. Otherwise, most of the rain is out of here by around 3 o'clock in the morning. Temperature-wise around central Indiana, middle 40s to low 50s right now. It's 51 in Indianapolis, 51 in Muncie, 51 as well in Bloomington. Our temperatures overnight aren't going to drop too much. We'll drop down to the low to mid 40s by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Through the day tomorrow, we'll see a few breaks in the clouds in the morning, but mainly look for overcast skies. Temperatures into the upper 40s by right around 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning, low 50s by 1, upper 50s by afternoon. We hit 60 today. We probably won't make it there tomorrow. Forecasting a high of 58 in Indianapolis. We could reach 60 in Muncie. Columbus and Bloomington winds will be shifting from the south around to the southeast, right around 6 to 13 miles per hour. There could be a couple of gusts out there during the afternoon. Well, we then start to see our chances for rain increasing tomorrow evening as you're heading home from work, and if you have any evening school activities going on. Notice by noon, mainly cloudy skies around central Indiana, but it's tomorrow evening we'll start to see rain coming out of the southwest. Here we are by 8 o'clock with rain arriving in Indianapolis. There is a chance we could have a few rumbles of thunder, especially along and south of I-70, south of Indianapolis specifically, as we go through the overnight hours into early Tuesday morning. By 7 a.m. Tuesday, still some light showers around, and we'll see some wraparound moisture on the backside of the system. But I think by late Tuesday afternoon, we'll likely see some clearing taking place. We'll see some sunshine, but we'll see temperatures kind of cool through the afternoon. It's also be kind of windy throughout the day as well. You can see on the probability of precipitation, it begins to ramp up, peaking at right around 80% at 10 o'clock tomorrow night, and then it'll start to slide back off through the early hour mornings on Tuesday. And we're talking on average about a half-inch of rain. Some of our computer models suggesting a little bit more down towards Bloomington and Columbus through the overnight hours into Tuesday morning. Otherwise, colder temperatures coming in for the weekend. As I mentioned, we're talking temperatures running 20 degrees below normal as we start the weekend, and that will be the case as we go throughout the weekend. 7-day forecast shows 56 for a high on Tuesday, 51 on Wednesday, mid-40s Thursday, Saturday, a high of 38 with lows in the low 20s.
Yikes. All right, John, thanks.